Okay, welcome again to another trading week. Well, last week was quite a good week. We don't need to take too much random trades. We only take very valid opportunities, even if it is 2, 3, 4 trades in a week, depending on what the market offers. Well, we are good to go. We cannot create those opportunities. All right, we trade the system, and we must stick to those valid opportunities that are presented by the market. All right, now let's look into the Forex factory to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. Well, this week is going to be for the sterling pound. Monday we have bank holiday affecting the sterling pound and the euro. All right, then from Wednesday we have these high impact news announcements. More of those news announcements are cutting across the sterling pounds. All right, interest rate announcement affecting the sterling pounds, and so the sterling pounds is likely going to feel much of the heat this coming week. All right, now let's look into the charts. We are just going to be reviewing a few trades, a few pairs that we took last week. All right, that we reviewed last week, and then some of those are valid opportunities telling us on our faces and how we will be trading them. Now, the first one is the Australian dollar against the the Australian dollar against the American dollar. As you can see, this is the 4 hours time frame. We had taken a trade here, well, although we have closed at 50% of our profit, but then we still have 50% running for this many pips. All right, that trade is still active. Hopefully we are going to close it by this upcoming trading week. Price has moved in our direction very swiftly. If you look into the Telegram channel, actually this was the signal that was sent to our members of our Telegram channel. That was when we took the trade right there. Okay, and our initial stop loss was here, right there. Okay, our entry okay, sorry, not right there. Then our okay, we took the trade right here. Okay, right there. Then our initial stop loss entry was here, and you can see price moved in the real chart. Actually, in the chart right there, you can see that was the entry I was talking about. And then we have traded our stop loss to break even position. Now we are sitting in this many pips. Well, we will close that trade this week. Okay, now the euro against the Canadian dollar. Well, this is the weekly time frame. We also actually analyzed this, and that was the candle that we were trying to base our entry on. We shared this last week, and as you can see, price actually moved in the direction. All right, well, we placed our order, and at some point we closed, we canceled the order. All right, you can see it here. We placed the order there, and then we told ourselves to delete that order, and that was on, I think, on a Thursday. We deleted the order on a Thursday, and in fact price pushed too far to retest resistance level again, and then we deleted the order. So by Friday, when we got the interest rate announcement which affected the Canadian dollar crosses, we saw price pushed all the way, cruising through our initial entry and then in our direction. Anyway, we had deleted the order, and so we didn't make that profit. No need to regret. We're still in the market. We'll find better opportunities. All right, now the euro against Australian dollar. We also I just want to show you here the price has bounced off double level of resistance, all right, and closing below that level. Well, our interest here is that in the daily time frame, a good trend line, all right, this trend line here has been broken. All right, it has been broken, and if you zoom in, you will see I am liking the breakout. All right, I'm liking the breakout. These candles right here are very nice candles, and I like that type of breakout. And so now we should be waiting to see if we can we have this on our radar. We are just waiting to see if we can have continuation formations around this area. If we find continuation formations around this area, we are obviously going to be looking for short opportunities. All right, the directional bias for us now is to the downside, and we'll be happy to find valid opportunities to go short. Now, the sterling pounds against the American dollar. Last week, we also reviewed this pair. Remember, I told you that this pair was pointing to the upside, and it was actually bullish. And in the lower time frame, we're looking for opportunities to go long. All right, but then we didn't find the entry. Okay, price actually went in that direction, but we didn't find any valid entry. Right now, this pair is trading around the point of confluence right there. Let me try to zoom out so you can see those levels. Okay, now the monthly trend line running around that area, and then the weekly level of resistance also running around that area. So this is the point of confluence. Okay, so we'll be looking for valid bounces. By the fact that we have established the price is trading around the point of confluence, it's not enough reason for you to get in blindly, for you to go short blindly. All right, we'll be looking for valid opportunities. We'll be looking for valid price action to give us the hint to look for to get short with the sterling pounds against the American dollar. If we don't find any valid entry, then we are not going to take the trade. But for now, we are confident that price is trading around resistance level, in fact a confluence point, and so it will be very dangerous to hit on our buy button around that area. We'll be looking for short entries. Now we have two pairs that we are likely going to be taking trades this week. The first one is Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Let me bring in this. I want you to say the currency name. All right, so the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. This is the daily time frame. Now this area has been holding price as support. Okay, so although the bounce doesn't look too good, but then I am liking this. All right, I'm liking it that this rejection here may drive price to the upside. All right, we may see some bullish pushes here in the Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. So we'll be taking a trade here. For those of you who are members of our Telegram or WhatsApp group, we are going to be telling you how we'll be taking this trade. Once we take the trade, we will send you the signals. And then the gold, right? Gold here, you can see in the monthly time frame, gold is reacting off that key level of resistance. This is the third time it is coming to retest that level, and so the rejection we'll find here should carry an extra degree of quality, and so we'll be very happy to go short around that area. So for gold, we actually have that rejection in the weekly time frame. I am liking this rejection. All right, I'm liking that rejection, and so this is the basis of our entry. We'll be basing our entry based on this candle. All right, so again, for those of you who are our members, will be sending you the signal to see how we want to go short with this pair. Actually gold, let's see if we can squeeze some pips to the downside in this pair. Now that's basically all. Thanks for being with us. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching the videos, and more especially I want to appreciate those of you who are hitting the like button on our YouTube channel. Thanks for liking the video. It's quite encouraging and it keeps us going. I'll talk to you again when the need arrives. Best of luck. Bye bye.